friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making garlic bread, and garlic bread is really good snacks. I know with the butter is little bit, but it's really very tasty snacks. So at this point I have my pan, and I will add like couple tablespoon of uh, butter, and my heat is very low because otherwise butter will turn like black, when we cook it on high heat. So you can see that. Okay, at this point I will add my garlic in it. I have 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and we will add in this one. It's very good aromas, and we will let it cook couple of minutes until garlic get roasted very well with the butter. And butter have enough salt, so we are not adding extra salt. And also when I made my paste, I have added some salt too, so no need to do that. You can see that our garlic is roasting very well with the butter. So now I can smell my garlic very good. So at this point I will take it out garlic. So friends, you can see that we are using our same pan. So what we will do, we will roast our bread only one side, and the next procedure I will show you. So the while bread is roasting, the heat is on low. This is the paprika, like half tablespoon. This is Italian seasoning that you can use it for anything, spaghetti and things like that. And also this one is spicy chili and also chili flakes. And I have here that green chili paste, cilantro, and also of course cheese. Right, so at this point we will do our bread. We have to do it only one side, so just second side you can just just to turn on to the moisture. So at this point what we will do, we will apply our garlic however you like it. If you like more, you can do that. So it's depend on you how much spicy you like to add it. We like little bit, so we are adding little bit extra on that. So you can see that. And now outside is raining today in Texas. In Houston we have like 100% rain, so it is too much. And also we will add little bit green chili. Green chili makes little bit more tasty, so I'm adding that one. So now we will add some cilantros. this point we will add some Italian seasoning. This is spicy chili. At this point we will add some cheese on it, right? Try to cover the bread edges, so, and this is how you will add on that. So like again slightly at this point we will add our paprika. I love this paprika, it's really nice, you know, it's good color and also slightly spicy. So we will let it cook until our cheese get melted very good. So friends, you can see that our cheesy bread is ready, you know, it's really very tasty. You can see that our butter got melt very good and it's really nice crispy, you can see that. And you can have with ketchup or mango chutney or anything what you like it, but this is mine is favorite, you know, it's really good with this weather. So I want you to enjoy this recipe and you will love it. And I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.